I used to walk into the room, head down, I don't walk, now I float on my float on, just float. They hanging on to that goose down in my coat. Float on my float on, just float. I don't step, I don't.
Why are you burping like that? Did I scratch your knee?
Yes.
My toenail. Sorry.
It's okay.
Did I scratch it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not bleeding or nothing. It's just like a little scratch.
It's a little scratch.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever.
You whatever.
Whatever.
You whatever. I'm going to take your whole phone.
What?
And your coffee.
Really? You can't have my coffee.
I have a bubba. Hey! Here's my have a bubba. This is the new Remax.
She better get her Hubba Bubba out of my camera before I knock her Hubba Bubba out of her hand. Okay?
Guys, you should try this, okay?
That fast.
That was braided.
I feel like you only got one twist in it. Is it braided? Braided tight. Yeah, braided tight. It'll be tighter. There you go. I braid it up.
Yeah.
It's braided. Cool.
Okay, so this was Juneteenth and Father's Day weekend. We decided to take a road trip to San Antonio, Texas. So I basically got some clips for you guys to check out. That's my dad, Nella, my husband, James, and then in the front is my sister and Nella's father. So yeah, those two right there. And so yeah, we're on our way to go and have a bite to eat and then round one. So I also inserted some clips. Nella back there with her pop. What do you do?
Cheese.
It's Father's Day weekend, you guys. Where is this place at? The Cheesecake Factory. Huh? Hey guys, so we went to the Whiskey Cake restaurant, and it was amazing. Like, it was really, really good. I thought this wall was super cute and impressive. So here is fried green tomatoes with pimentos. And then I also had a hot chicken sandwich with avocado and bacon, and it came with fries. Y'all, really, really good. Like, I would give it an 8 out of 10. Then these were the brisket sliders. My husband said they were okay. He probably would have rated them at like probably 6 out of 10. But this whiskey cake was a 10 out of 10 for sure. It was so good. Sorry about the camera moving all kind of crazy, y'all. But yeah, it was really good. The wall was just so cute. It was like a whole vibe walking outside of the Whiskey Cake restaurant. Like, it was really, really nice, you guys. I was trying to catch everything, but I should have probably slowed it down a little bit, because yeah. That is pretty.
That'll be very dry, huh?
I'm looking inside of it.
She said, "Ooh." Wow. That is pretty cool. Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool. How cute. want a ton of animals? You want a unicorn?
This one was for mommy. It's the same color.
Yeah.
And Papa got this for me.
Wow, how beautiful. That's nice.
It's a Mickey Mouse.
That's really nice. Really nice, Nella. You having fun? Got an ice. Cool. Baby, that's a good sleeper right there, right there.
Ain't the only one that sleep like that, huh?
Y'all, she was out of there. She had so much fun. So this was the next day. We went to the river walk. We ended up booking one of the boat tours. That's my sister, Mona. Hey, girl. And then, of course, my father and my husband. He was like, you recording me? Yes, I'm recording you. And then, of course, this is Alan, Nella's dad. Super funny. But I just got some clips for you to check out, for you guys to check out of the river walk. This was 2023. I know we got to bookmark the year. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah. Boy, I've been waiting since my baby was a baby. I done gave up. Yeah, I gave up. Y'all hear this ninja? It's so pretty.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Okay, y'all, this was the last day here at the Airbnb. I'm sorry I didn't get a record, but pretty much this was the room that my husband and I stayed in. Yeah. But I'll show y'all the little game room. Good idea. So we had the pool table. So this basically was, I guess, like a formal dining area, and they turned it into like a little game area for Airbnb purposes. But you can see the pool table. You know, old school. That's not enough French Quarter. They have the what is it, hooky or hooky? I think it's called hooky. Yeah, it's hooky. It's the hooky, and then they had some game boards down there, Battleship, and all that good stuff. And then this looks like the kitchen area. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to get it when we first got here because we got here so late. But this is the kitchen. It's really, really nice. I like it. We just gotta clean up a little bit, but yeah. We're about to be out of here. It's Juneteenth. Get into it. Juneteenth. So, yeah. It was pretty cool. dad's stuff there. He's a TV man. So we pretty much had a spare room. Because the room didn't have a TV in it. He likes the TV go. They want a lot of stuffed animals, as you can see over there. So yeah, this is me. Oh, I probably need to throw in some stuff. Let me see. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go. Oh, I didn't even get a chance to show y'all the back. Hold on. It smelled like wet dogs out here at first. But let me show y'all. Oop. That's what that looks like. I had brought a candle from Dollar Tree. This is the backyard area. And then, of course, it's built on. They got patio furniture. I can see some of the other stuff, but yeah, this is where they would basically be smoking in. It's a cute little rocking chair. That's a cute. I need to get. Look how cute this rocking chair is. My dad always said here. Like, whoa. So yeah. Anyways, that's that. Maybe some plant pots or something. I don't know. And there is my hubby.
Oh, hey, how y'all doing? What up with it, Al?
Video.
Hello, world, San Antonio, Texas.